Little homies watching, so I had to get it straight. If I'm teaching wealth, I can't show them paper plates. Turn game into class, turn class into checks.
Hey, what's going on, fellow investors? Hope everyone's having a great day. You know, we can't turn on the news or look at a YouTube video or look at an investment channel without hearing about artificial intelligence or AI. And when you talk about AI, it's all centered around the semiconductors. You know, we know the NVIDIAs and the AMDs and the Intels, but there are other things, other moving parts in the AI sector that a lot of people don't talk about. And in this video, I want to talk about an individual stock that has been doing this thing. Your boy's invested in it. And I want to share with y'all what I found out and see if it may be a good fit for your portfolio or something that you want to watch. I can tell you, I've already added it. Typically, if I'm on here, I'm not going to say all the time, but 90% of the time, your boy's already made a move, and I try to get it to y'all as quick as possible. And today I'm going to be talking about Applied Materials, ticker symbol AMAT. It's been doing its thing lately, and I want to show y'all what I call doing its thing, and we're going to see it together. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod, everyone on this channel. We talk about stocks. We talk about exchange-traded funds or ETFs. Sometimes we talk about crypto, but more importantly, I show you my journey on how I take small amounts of money and invest for my financial future. I don't need $200-300. I may do it with 5 or 10. And today you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. If this is your first time here, do me a favor, man. Hit that subscribe button. It's free. It don't cost anything. You're gonna get something for free because I'm gonna bring the heat. You can believe that. Hit that thumbs up, share it out, tell someone about the channel, tell a friend and tell a friend, tell your coworkers, your family. Man, let's just get this information out there. And with all that being said, enough of all that jibber jabber and yip yapping, let's get paid, baby. Let's get down to business. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen. As you can see, Applied Materials is already pulled up. Ticker symbol AMAT, and it's currently trading. Now, there's a big pie. Now, I always refer to these prices as entire pie. $483.11 or 16 cents is pretty steep. It's pretty steep. I'm going to go over to 1 day here, but I want y'all to see something. It's actually up today, $5.43%. $24.88. Yes, this is a large amount of money, but on Robinhood, as always, you can get a fractional share or a slice of the pie. $5, $10, dollar cost average or DCA your way to a full share. Let that be a goal. Matter of fact, let's start here. Make your goal to get a half of a share and then a full share. Set reachable goals, obtainable goals for yourself and make this fun. There's nothing funner other than loving on your family, loving on your children. Nothing funner than doing little to nothing and making some money. At least that's what's fun in my world. So there you know, man, I'm telling y'all secrets over here. Anyway, so let's jump down here. What has Applied Material been doing? In the last week, it's up 10%. I usually don't do it the last week, but I'm just kind of curious. 10.4% in the past week is up $44. Now, this goes up. Oh, man, you're going to see when I get over here to probably the last year. We're going to go down to 3 months. You're going to see how much it's gone up. Now, in the last 3 months, it's up 31% or $116. So it was roughly, what, $370 3 months ago? So the longer we wait, the more this is just going to keep going up. AI is not going anywhere. They need the materials for the semiconductors. You need the semiconductors. You need the chips to make all this stuff work. So we got to get in where we fit in. And I'm telling you, it's never too late. Don't say, oh, maybe I missed the train. That's why we're doing small amounts of money. Year to date, from January to June 2nd, as the day of recording this video, it is up 80.80. That man, hey, new beginnings, 8 is new, 80.80%, up $215. So a year ago, this was $200 some per share. I'm telling you, man, small pieces of the pie. Actually, no, that was in January. That's not even a year ago. That was year to date. So a year ago, it's going to be even cheaper. Mark my word. I kind of saw it a while ago when the screen was up. I'm not going to front, but it's up 209.93% in the past year, $327. So this was roughly $140 a year ago. And I bet you it was one or two things going down. Somebody never heard of it, or someone said it was too expensive. It's only going to keep going up. So, hey, I got to get in the game, man. Y'all, I always talk about getting uniforms, getting on the team, getting the game. Last 5 years, up 247%. So look at this. So roughly right here, October 2022, it went up sort of kind of, then it kind of stayed steady. And then right here, April 2025, right when the whole everything in AI started going up, it's been on an upward trend since. All right, what do we have in here? I entered a small position here and put a larger position in Fidelity. We are up 11.34%. So we're not at the 31% and all that. But since I got it, and I don't look at the dollar amounts because this here channel is really for the YouTube channel, this investment, this portfolio. However, I like to know the percentage because the more I put in here, the more I'm going to make. Average cost was $433. Now we're up to $482. So making money, that's the easy way for me to know. I don't even have to look at everything else. I can look at what I paid, cost, what can I sell it for, just like any other business. So what is AMAT? Applied Material engages in provision of materials engineering solutions used to produce semiconductors. I don't need to know about no design, development, production. I mean, right here I see two materials used to produce semiconductors. It's been around since 1967, yet a lot of people, they were, I'm sure, in this whole technology computing situation over decades, you just didn't hear a lot of people talk about it. Look at the market cap, $383.39 billion. That's what this company's worth. It does pay a dividend of 0.42%. And let's go down here. Let's see what these experts are talking about, man. The analysts, I call them the experts, but who is the expert? Is the people that's investing their money. That's what I call it, because we may know something they don't know. And it's more them than it is us. So let me jump down here. So right here is 40 people. Now, I love how they do this. I wish they would get more people, but I guess you don't need thousands. But 40 people, 80% are saying buy this. 20% are saying hold. They believe it's going to do some things, so just hold what you got. Don't purchase anymore. Yet don't sell it. But nobody, out of 40 people, absolutely nobody is saying sell it, which is a good sign. The majority is saying buy more. 20% saying hold. Nobody's saying sell, but they don't have a crystal ball. Do they really know? I don't know. Maybe they know something we don't know. But all I know is AMAT, or Applied Materials, has been making money. And we're going to be right there with the money making process. Again, I'm just showing y'all my journey on how I take small amounts of money. And the day is up 24 bucks per share. And in my Fidelity account, I think I'm approaching, I may have a share. I have to double check, but that's irrelevant right now. So, man, what do you think about Applied Materials? Have you heard of it? Do you already have it? Now, I will tell y'all some bonus right here. If you don't have applied materials, or you don't want to get another individual stock, you can find this in a lot of semiconductor ETFs. Check those out. You have SMH, or the VanEck Semiconductor ETF. You have the SOXX, the SOXQ. I don't want to call out a bunch of letters, but there's places, there's ETFs where this may already be in. Check that out. If you're not comfortable, don't go throw your money in something. Be familiar and do your own research. Consult with a professional if you need to. Watch other content creators. Again, I'm just showing you my journey on how I'm taking small amounts of money and investing for my future. I'm not telling anyone else to do. I'm just documenting my journey and sharing it with y'all. With that being said, again, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Hit that like button. Share this out. Share the video out. Tell someone about the channel. I'm just a regular dude, not trying to show out and show off and use big words, and just sharing the love with everyone. With that being said, I hope you have a great day. Hope you have a blessed and prosperous day. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, more fire, more knowledge, more importantly, showing you my journey on investing. And until the next time, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I guarantee you. Until then, peace. Much love, y'all.
Little homies watching, so I had to get it straight. If I'm teaching wealth, I can't show them paper plates. Turn game into class, turn class into checks, turn checks into peace, turn peace into net.
To the city, yeah.